Hi guys, good morning. The winter storm had started last night. I just came out. As you can see, I couldn't go to work. I can't even find the walkway. I'm stepping down. Look at this, guys. Look at my foot. See? They start plowing over there. Hi Steve. Hi Molly. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. I can't find my way out. It's all white here. And it's still snowing. It's still snowing, guys. Hi, Mary, good morning. Hi, Mama. As you can see, they just start plowing. I couldn't leave for work this morning. Look at that. Look at my feet. See that? That's a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Please tap up the screen, guys. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. I'm going to see if I can walk out to the main. Oh. See? I'm just stepping in somebody else's step. See? It's all snow. Hi, Margie. How are you? So, see, I couldn't get to work. They just start plowing, and later we're going to get more snow. So just imagine, I couldn't come out this morning. As I say, see how high it is. And my walkway is right there. And hi, Grandma. I couldn't. When I tell my boss that I might not be at work because they don't really plow this area early enough for me to leave because I have a 4 a.m. shift. I'm telling you, see, they just see the guy, they just start plowing over there. It is so bad. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I'm giving you the best view you can get. So this is Maryland, and I'm in Aspen, border with Silver Spring. And this is what we get, and it's we have still a lot more to go. It was supposed to start at 10 last night. Hi, Kenneth. And it didn't start until about 12:45, 1 a.m. this morning. We start getting it because I was like, okay, we're not going to get it. See, birds are still out. Can you believe that? Birds are still flying. Oh my God. I have to watch my steps. See? I have to watch my steps, guys. Ooh. I'm telling you, it's like, this is really bad. See, they're clearing the driveway. So I hope tomorrow I can be able to go to work. Because I'm one of the most, I'm like very important to them at work, so I have to. So as you can see, a lot of snow right there. Yeah, a lot of snow. And if some of you guys are following me from way back then, you would notice I do videos over there, on that side, right over there. I would do some winter videos right there. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the tapping. Please to tap up the screen. Tap, 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 tap. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Teresa. Thank you, Jackie, Darlene, Johnny. Thank you, Kathy. This is Maryland. This is Aspen. It's the border of Aspen with Silver Spring in Maryland. United States. And oh, whoops. I'm telling you, I didn't expect this much. Hi, Lani. Hi, Roberta. Roberta, that's a nice name. Hi, Tammy. So it's like snowing really hard. I'm going to show you where I'm coming from. And this is not the main road. This is the complex I lived in. This is not even the main road. Can you believe it? Yeah. I don't know. They always take like really long time to shovel this complex. So a lot of people they're still inside. They can't go to work. So oh my gosh. Snow is this high. It's not that high, but we get fair amount of snow. Yeah. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Erica. I'm going to try to walk out there because the plow is making so much noise. So let's see how far I can walk. Then I walk back because it's a bit cold. Hi, Belle. Hi, Adela. Adela. Lila, 25. Or Lila, 25. It's snowing, but really fine. Let me show you that way. It is really bad over here. Hope everything can be a bit better tomorrow morning. Yeah, it's really, really, really bad. Hold on. You coming? You coming out there? You coming out there? Okay. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Hi to all my moderators. I think they're still asleep, and there's some of my moderator there. They're going to get some clips for me from PG County. It's still in Maryland. And then I have another person in DC. So as soon as I get those clips, I'll try to post them. I try to edit them and post them so you guys can see from that side. But this is really bad. As you can see, really, really, really bad. Really bad. And then it's freezing. It's freezing. Yeah. And it's, you might not see it, but the snow is still coming down. And they said we will be getting like more. I'm walking with you towards the main road so I can see what's going on out there. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. They're trying to clean the complex the best they can. I respect the person who has to get out of his bed and clean it so we might be able to get to work tomorrow. There's a person over there walking her dog. Oh gosh. Whew. And see, I didn't expect to get like a snowstorm like in whew, this early in January. I was thinking maybe late January to mid February. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is bad, really bad. The road is not good. Okay, let me show them. Guys, he said the road is not that pretty. I guess with a lot of persons from Maryland, sometimes when they said we're going to get hit, and you know, sometimes we don't. So I'm wondering if they take it serious, because this one is bad. And it's coming down, guys. I don't know if you can see, it's coming back down. See that? Yeah. That's messy. 1 o'clock, yeah. It's going to come down. I think it will end like 1 a.m. Tomorrow morning. See, guys, it's coming back down. So let me show you the road. This is the main road right here. That's the main road. That's the main road, guys. That's the main road. All right. Let me take you a step back there again. That's the main road. I was like up from 5 a.m. Let me show you my feet again. See, that's my feet. This is my feet. Some places, like the snow is a little bit, oh, careful. You have to take your time to walk. So we have to take it like really, really slowly, because you might fall. You have to be careful out here. Please tap out the screen, guys. Tap out the screen. So I'm just giving you footage. See, the snow is coming down. Snow is coming down now. See? So I'm just giving you some footage of the snowstorm in Maryland. Oh gosh. Guys, it is bad. And we're not done yet. We are not done yet. There's a car coming in. A lot of people have to stay home and just kick back. Yeah. So you know me, I'm going to come out and give a little view. I think they have to plow this road again, because we're going to get more. As you can see, if you look carefully, it's coming down. It's getting like bigger flakes, bigger snowflakes. It was tiny when I just came out. Now it's getting bigger. Yeah. I just want to show you guys, and all the persons who texted me and asked if I'm okay. Yes, I'm okay, and I wouldn't risk my life to go out or drive outside knowing it's not safe. My life and my family's I treasure a lot. So I just give a walk outside there, and then I'll take you to where I'm coming from. Then I might try to come out a little later to see how high the snow will get. But I thank all of you for logging on with me. I thank you all. I have to be careful. I'm moving really slow, like my grandmother. Yeah, really slow, because I don't want to have a fall. Yeah. Still falling, guys. Still falling. What's that? Diana. Hi. Hi, Dana. Can you please tap up the screen? And thank you all, whoever went over to my YouTube channel and subscribed. Thank you so much. Thank you all. We're close to 1,000 subscribers. We're very close. So please tell a friend to tell a friend to go over there and to subscribe, like, and share. So the guy is doing his job. Let me walk over here. Guys, let me walk over here. I'm making a new track here. Oh gosh. Look at this, guys. Look at this. And this is in my complex. Hey. That's in my complex. So I'm going to take you back to where I always shoot the videos. If a lot of you were following me from my old Instagram and Facebook pages and my old TikTok page. I lost those pages though, but it's okay. We can always start over again. So, guys, it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. So, guys, I'm helping to clear the snow off this car. So I have to do what I have to do. So here we go. There we go. All right, when we do it like this normally, you come out again maybe in the next 3 hours and then you give it another clean. So if you're going to work like tomorrow really early, you don't have it that bad. Yeah, so you just give it a little clean and then you leave it. Yeah. So I'm working in the snow, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear.
I know, this is your first snow. He's only 7 months old. He's had a little time getting into those boots.
Oh, look at him. He's so cute.
He got his boots on. He's
So
really
cute.
I don't want to knock you down.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cute.
I know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the first, we haven't had snow like this since I think the first time, almost the second time I think since I've been living here in 10 years. I know, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh goodness. I'm ready to come out, my car's right here, so I'm ready to come out and start in the...
Yeah, you have to give it a little clean and clean it. Yeah.
This shit is not done yet. I have to clean it up now.
And then later on, we do another one.
I'm gonna do reverse out to see if I can come out of here. So I'm not gonna move anywhere, just reverse and come back in.
Okay. So that is it for this, right? It's okay now, right?
Yeah, just the glass.
I have to scrape the glass too?
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
last year, not the last.
So this is the lady with the dog. That's her car. So she was saying, guys, she was saying she have to come out to give the car a little clean. She's just walking her dog. She said it's the first snow for that dog. The dog has the boots on and everything. Think, yeah, she's enjoying the snow. Yeah. Guys, tap out the screen. And as I say before, thank you all to all the persons who went over to my YouTube channel to subscribe. Please, for the watch hours, please watch the videos. I know some of the videos you may not like, but please. Hi, Rosin. Hi, Caroline. How are you doing? Charles Moore, Dwight. Hi, how are you guys doing? I was cleaning the car. Later on, when I'm cleaning again, I'll show you a clip of me helping to clean the snow. The snow plow is over there, guys. As you can see, guys, it's right over there. And the time is 8:44 a.m. 8:44 a.m. And I was supposed to be at work at what? 4 a.m. 4 a.m. this morning. Yeah. Yeah. He's trying to see if he can reverse, move the car. See? And then he's going to go back in. Skid in. Don't do that. See? See? Maybe we have to plow. Yeah, maybe we have to plow.
I'm stuck.
We have to plow, right?
Shovel.
He's stuck. I have to go get my gloves and come back. Let me go get some gloves and come back. Guys, I have to go get some gloves because I forget my gloves again. I always forget my gloves and it's really cold out here. So let me go get my gloves and then I come back to help. So I might have to end the live because I need to help a little and I have to put away the camera for a little bit so I can help. Okay, so this is where I was telling you about. We always do the shots, the videos there. Yeah. Yeah, let me go get it. So guys, I'm going to let you see there. So I'll see you in a bit. Have a wonderful day. And if you're getting the snowstorm, please, I beg you, be safe. If you don't have to go out, please don't go out. Stay inside. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.